What's up guys, कैसे हो? Hope everyone's doing great. Today's day is gonna be dog is barking because it knows Rema is gonna start his vlog today. That is from the guest room. Anyways, the reason I'm starting the vlog from here is the shed is gone and it looks so bright here. What's up, Naishu? Now we can see the sky. See? Full on light here. Actually, it would be definitely nice if we can leave it like this, full bright. But then I think we need a shed here. Sorry, Paragola. Like this one. Right now, pura parking. We did it here. The Seltos, the Varna, both the bikes over here. Someone tell this girl, yaar. She's always kabza kar raha mera room.
Because I'm working.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the week if you're like this, how do I work, dude?
तेरा तो बाहर जाके काम होता है, मेरा घर पे होता, उतना ही डिफरेंस है.
मेरा घर पे स्टार्ट होता है ना, एक सीक्वेंस रहना ना.
तो मैं ब्लॉगर नहीं है ना.
Anyways, we gonna get some Vimukti for 1 week.
Very good, nice.
What is Vimukti in Hindi?
Basically freedom.
Oh yeah, freedom.
In Hindi नहीं, in English.
Okay, sorry. हिंदी में क्या है?
मुक्ति मिल जाएगी.
विमुक्ति in Telugu and मुक्ति in Hindi.
आजादी.
हाँ, then what is मुक्ति?
By the way, excuse me, हमें भी आजादी मिलेगी 1 week, है ना?
1-2 days this is required, you know. Oh, nice. Next, you know what? I don't know if you guys are gonna like this, but इसका गुंडू हो रहा.
I know, man.
You don't know, no, you're laughing.
You don't know, you'll cry that day.
Actually, we had to do this like one year back.
Pending from the first year का COVID, because COVID था, we had to.
Yeah,
wait.
because of COVID. Usually we do.
Yeah.
Basically, it's called Mundan.
Yeah.
So we had to go to Tirupati and do this. Usually we do
Yes,
that,
we
our
do
tradition. But then COVID and also we couldn't go. Second year भी same thing हो गया. Second wave came. We have to do it now because after 3 years, it seems traditionally they don't do it. Another 1 week max, you'll have this beautiful hair. After that, clean
So
shave.
we vlog in this room only in the Gundu.
You'll see a new version of Naishu. But that's okay, once in a lifetime. By the time she goes to school, I think she'll get her hair back.
Yes.
But this took 3 years. Like this much of hair took 3
But
years.
I want to tell the subscribers, like you, Shima was just not interested. He's like, what is all this? Why are we doing all this? Then I think my mom and even mom, like my mother-in-law, both of them said we have to do it.
I'm not against it, but I'm like, she's so cute with the hair. But still, I have to see her without the hair.
How were you with Gundu?
I did Gundu twice in my life.
Oh.
Thrice. Recently, 6 years back before we got
Oh,
married,
yeah.
I did once.
He went to the washroom and he just opened the door. He was Gundu. Washroom.
I took a trimmer and shave kar diya pura.
Yeah.
Reason being, I had some mukku that time. Basically a wish or something. What do you call mukku in Hindi?
Mannat.
Huh?
Mannat.
Manat is Shah Rukh Khan's house, na?
Hey, chup re.
I believe that there is a very powerful creator. That is the reason. See, all this is happening.
What is happening?
Look at her. You always want to punch my camera.
नाइशू तुम काम करोगी? मेरे बॉस को बोलो काम दो, बहुत काम दे रहे हैं मेरे को आजकल. मेरे बॉस को बोलो.
Today, Pooja and Aisha are going to their mom's
Tonight.
place and we'll be a bachelor for
I'm
4 to 5 days.
I'm going for Rakhi.
My sister तो कनाडा में पढ़ा है.
But I got Rakhi. तेरे लिए नहीं, तेरी बहन के लिए I got.
On behalf of my sister, Pooja got a Rakhi for me.
Mom will tie it for you.
But my mom will tie it for me.
Ah, nice. So much of diversity. You're so
అక్క కట్టాల్సింది మా వైఫ్ తీసుకొచ్చి మామ్ కడుతుందంటే అసలు అర్థం చేసుకోనికే అర్ధగంట పడుతుంది. So today that is the plan. I'll have to go drop Pooja and Aisha at their mom's place. That is like crazy. 30 kilometers from here, dude.
Aren't you taking us for a coffee shop first? You're not taking us.
Yeah, I'll take you guys for coffee shop. I'll take you guys for dinner as well because I understand you don't come out much.
नाइशू कहाँ जाएंगे? पापा लेके जाएंगे.
You took my AirPods again. Put it back. Put it back.
नाइशू कॉफी.
चलो. Put it back. Put it back.
नाइशू चाय पियोगी? अरे पी लो थोड़ी. अरे पी लो. No.
That's one new word. Our teacher yes also. For everything she's saying no.
Next वही है लिस्ट में. Yes सिखाना है उसको.
By the way, today अच्छा leg नहीं कल leg workout था. So my hamstrings are like aching next level. Zishan is training me again. Mother, he used to train me before, but he used to give me only the diet. Now he's training me like properly, 1-to-1 online video chat करके. Now I can see the difference. Zishan, 9 out of 10 for your training. One is left because there's always scope for improvement.
So you can give 9.5 no?
Okay, 9.5. Really good, dude. You're really good. By the way, there's a big request and a small request from my subscribers for you.
Travel with you?
Talking Telugu. Say something in Telugu fast.
నాకు తెలుగు రాదు.
That's it.
కొంచెం కొంచెం తెలుసు.
ఇదే డైలాగ్ అందరూ. నో నైస్ సే సంథింగ్ టు మీ.
నేను నిన్ను ప్రేమిస్తాను.
All these are typical dialogues. I want something like say let's go down and eat at 1 o'clock.
అమ్మా ప్లీజ్ రే.
You know, she knows how to say that, but
no, I'm not
only thing is she's a little bit conscious. Not conscious, she's shy.
Very.
But you know.
Okay, you shoot me later when I'm normal with you.
Hey,
अभी
cooperate,
कैमरे के
cooperate,
सामने मैं नहीं बोलती. కిందకి వెళ్ళి అన్నం తిన్నాను.
Huh?
You said no.
Say it.
No, I'll not say it.
Okay, already looking nice and fresh. Once again, we got a couple of packages and this one already unboxed. But unfortunately, I have to send this back. I'll tell you later after I get the replacement because even if I tell there's no faida. So one more packages I got. I took out one of my favorite shirts to wear and unfortunately, I realized one thing. You see here? It's torn. I was doing istri and somehow I think the shirt's material is done. Shriman, abhi ho gaya, bahut ho gaya, nikhal do. Fake the shirt ko because it is literally 7 years old. It's a nice slim fit shirt. Looks nice and crisp, right? Chalo, can't help it. We'll have to change. We have the exact same shirt in a different color. That's a navy blue, this is a black. If you like a particular t-shirt or a shirt's fitting, at least me, what I do is I try to get at least 2 or 3 colors of the same fit. Nice lady.
Can you lend this to me later?
Don't call me that.
No, listen, once I'm taking this.
Hey, why? I need it. Nice shoe. Chalo, enough, let's go.
मेरा भी पहनो.
What is this nice shoe? Every time you give me glares to wear. You're certifying that I'm blind. Huh? She's certifying me that Shriman is blind. Ready? Don't puke, please. Jishu, where are we? The marquee place. This is the marquee place.
What is marquee?
Everything is pura marquee.
Oh yeah, that.
I'm talking about the menu.
Say hi.
Yeah, nowadays she knows everything. I buy.
Now she say
But
bye.
you need to learn yes. For everything you're saying no. Say yes. Action nahi. I said say it.
Yes करो ना.
Yes bolo. Yes. Oh, no bolo. No. No.
किसको
Ah,
देगी
that
photo?
you'll say. Okay, sushi for me. Sushi for. Oh, by the way, if you come to Maguro, you have to definitely try avocado sushi.
That's what I'm.
Avocado cream cheese sushi.
We actually came for that one.
Yeah, that is the main thing I keep coming here. Definitely must try. And for Naisha, we ordered
Noodles, her favorite.
noodles.
Veg noodles.
Noodles. Veg noodles. You know what are these? Tongs. What are these? Oh, by the way, how did we not give the report? Puking report. Successfully
Oh God,
puked.
My dress. A little.
A little nahi. I just puked here.
I'm
There
just
is no.
being sweet as a mom.
There is no proper solution to this. We tried everything possible. Opening the windows, opening the sunroof. No perfumes in the car. Leather seats. People are saying if it is a Rexin or a leather seat, it happens. Even in the Verna, it happens more actually. And Verna has cloth seats. Still it happens. It happens with any car. Even I have that motion sickness. I think it's in the family. Only thing is because I'm driving and I don't concentrate much. Hopefully she'll get better soon. If she gets better, we can do some nice road trips. That's one thing. Please get well soon and there's not a place to sit. You need to get down. Hello. Hello. That's our food. That's chicken, hot and sour soup, and that's
Naichu.
Hakka noodles. Especially for Naichu.
Nom nom.
Naichu, what is it?
Nom nom.
Num num. This is the dish I'm talking about, and this is the sushi, avocado cream cheese sushi. You can see the cream inside. Though Zishan wouldn't allow me to eat this, but our cheat day. And that is, there's asparagus and a kind of a fried sushi, something like that. This is the first time I'm trying this.
Not fried sushi. The asparagus is fried and the coating is still rice on it.
Complicated.
No, very simple.
The main thing about eating a sushi is you need to eat it full. You need to completely dip it inside this.
Okay.
That soy sauce and Where are we? IKEA. Right in front of IKEA. Why did we stop? Because Naisha is one thing not feeling fine. And Naisha was almost going to throw up for the second time. We're almost reaching Pooja's parents' place in another 5 minutes, 8 minutes from here. Can't help it because of you. What do you want? Cake? Oh, we took a cake for her. She's asking for that. You want a cake? Then let's go home. Actually, this is the first time we're coming to IKEA, no? See, that is IKEA. Okay, now let's go. Or do you want to stay here all night?
Let's go, yeah.
See, she doesn't like coming to the car. Naisha, only 8 minutes.
Mama car.
Only 8 minutes, Naisha.
We'll see Mama car.
See, Mama car. We'll go to Mama. Just 8 minutes, okay?
Grass, the duck. Only 8 minutes. Chalo. Mama car.
Okay, wait. 8 minutes. So finally we reached successfully right from Malkajgiri to High Tech City. 30 kilometers, no, 22 kilometers only.
Yeah, it's not
But
much.
took a lot of time because of...
तेरे लिए क्या तू तो रोज आता हाईटेक सिटी
Mama का
See, that is the reason I said I wanted to shift to High Tech City.
तू
तो रोज आता मैं.
रोज आता है हाईटेक सिटी
हमारा काम तो इधर ही है, हमारा फ्रेंड्स इधर है.
हाँ हमारा फ्रेंड्स उधर हम नहीं है
तू कभी कभी आती है सर.
ए चल रहे
इस पियो के.
स्टॉप इट यू हैव टू पुट रियली शो
तो मेरे ऊपर डाला वो पे. They dropped Pooja and Naisha at her mom's place. They're gonna come back soon, 2 or 3 days. But yeah, Naisha ke sath the bonding has increased a lot in the last couple of months. Especially before Ladakh and after Ladakh. After going to Ladakh, I definitely had this thing in my mind. I wanted to come back soon. You know, things have definitely changed. It is not like before now. And to be open with you guys, I don't think I'll be able to do like 20 plus day rides. Maybe 10 days. Still that is fine. But beyond that, it is gonna get a little bit difficult. It's not about the responsibilities and all that I'm talking about, but I'm getting that feeling inside. I don't want to be away from everyone for so much time. 10-15 days tak theek hai. I'll not say anything now, but I'll go for the trips and all that. And in case I feel I'm missing my family. And anyways, one more major reason is not just about family liking and all that, but also I'm not enjoying the trip while coming back. I'll be honest with you people. Nothing to hide, nothing to prove once again. I'm not here to prove things to people. I'm here to express my life. It's a digital diary. Going ahead in future, in case I don't want to do trips like 20 plus days, then maybe I'll not. Maybe I'll ride one side and definitely ship my bike back. That is till I get bored again. The moment again I feel that chalo again I have to start riding properly, I'm pretty sure that's how humans are, and when that day comes, once again I start riding up and down. But for now, if I have to go for a ride today, not every ride, I'm talking about the rides which are more than 20 days, more than 18-20 days, you know. Anyways, I'm sharing all this to make you understand that life is not just about passion. There are other things as well to explore which you might like, and that is what is happening with me. Definitely bike is my first passion. It's really boring to do just one thing your whole life. Even if you're passionate, I think the world has so many things that you could do. Don't just confine yourself to one thing. Why am I giving this bhasan like this at 11 o'clock in the night in the middle of High Tech City? I think I'll end the vlog here. Nothing much from here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. Subscribe to free hai, so don't forget to hit that. Hit that red button. If it is red, make it grey and go. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care. And wait, I forgot to tell you, I have to see Naisha. I think next vlog, after a couple of vlogs, we'll be seeing Naisha in Gundu. I hope her hair comes back soon, dude.